Tesla's stock is already up a lot this year, but there's no reason why it can't go up even higher. The fact that Tesla's already up makes no difference really. It was mispriced at the beginning of the year anyways. I've discovered a pattern in Tesla's stock chart. It's called a pennant pattern. It looks a bit like a flag, but it gives me confidence that Tesla's stock will soon break out to new levels. I prefer more fundamental stock analysis, but if the stock charts are agreeing with the fundamentals, then it makes it more convincing for me anyways. The pennant pattern occurs when there's been a big move in the stock. For a bullish pattern, it needs to be an up move, and for a bearish one, it would be a down move. But basically, there is a big move followed by a consolidation or a leveling off, maybe a backtracking, which could signify people taking profits. And then what follows is another move higher. It's as if the stock is taking a rest before it continues to run up the mountain. With all of these patterns, they're not 100% guaranteed. It is just an increase in probability that the move will occur. For example, instead of a 50% chance of moving up or down from here, maybe there is now an 80% chance that the stock moves higher. And it's not all chart magic. There are a few reasons why this actually works. One is, as I said, that traders and investors needed to take a breather. Sometimes they take profits or cycle their money around between other stocks or sectors. Tesla's stock has in fact held up nicely at these levels. Another reason is that many people live by the stock charts and they try to find and follow the same patterns. So if everyone is doing it, the money they invest will push the stock price to new levels. You can see here I'm overlaying the pennant pattern on top of Tesla's chart. There was a big run up. That's the start of a bullish pattern, followed by sideways trading. And you'll notice how the range of trading gets narrower and narrower. It converges to a single point almost, just like the pennant pattern. And then it's expected, or there is a high probability, that it breaks out to the upside. I wouldn't care too much about the stock chart if I didn't like the stock itself. Tesla is a great long-term company to hold on to. They're innovating in a space that hasn't been innovated upon in years and years. So there's so much room to grow in the automotive industry in the long term. In the short term, Tesla's earnings are coming up soon. They sold 139,000 cars in a single quarter. It's a new record, and I'm expecting a sharp increase in profit. Each new car is pure profit once you subtract the cost of the car, since they're using the same factories to simply make more cars. Let me know in the comments section if that makes sense or I can explain it further. But I like the setup here with good chart technicals backed by a possibly large profit increase. Well, thank you so much for watching my first video. I need you to do 3 things for me before leaving. Please tap the like button so that YouTube actually notices me. I really need you to subscribe so I can get to 1,000 subs. And maybe watch the video a few more times so I can reach the watch time threshold as well. Thank you so much. And we have more Tesla videos coming, and we're going to talk about other stocks too.